Welcome back. Well, the S-Shakes Nifty suggesting that it's a half a century to kickstart trade. Interesting to see where we go from there. Mitessh Thakkar as well as Shrikant Chouhan are back with us this morning. Good morning, gentlemen. Hope you are feeling good on this Friday morning. Mitessh, you go first. What would you do? 50-point pullback is what we like to see. Will you look to buy on the dip or will you chase the opening?
Morning, Nigel. I think, while the overall view is still positive, I think in the short term, my sense is that we are still in a consolidation. It's a market which is contracting. Let's say, if I was to put numbers to the range, 18,250 to 40 on the downside to roughly about 18,430 for 40 on the upside. I think buying may not be a good idea immediately post a 50-60 point kind of a gap up, but let's say if we start getting past 18,430 on the upside, then I think I would want to take a long position on the index. Similar observation is happening on the charts of Bank Nifty, where I think a breakout above 42,600, 650 would invite some kind of long positions with a stop below 42,400.
Okay, all right. We'll come back, Mitessh, for trades. Shrikant is also with us. Shrikant, what about you? What are your trades? Good morning.
Good morning, Prashant. Good morning, everyone. I think the market is stuck between the levels of 18,250 and 18,450. Till the markets are not crossing 18,450, we are not going to see any major activity in the market, because in terms of option statistics also, there is huge amount of resistance between 18,450 to 500 levels. But in case if we see the markets are like closing above the levels of 18,500, then it will be much easier for the market to cross the level of 18,600. And in the next week, in the coming week, I think we are going to see those levels. So that's the overall view. But yes, we need to cross the levels of 18,500 in terms of technicals. Yes, if there is any correction, then we should be buyer with a stop loss around 18,250.
All right. How about individual stocks? Let's start talking about that. Shrikant, what are you looking at on the buy and the sell side this morning?
Yes, Sonia, I think we need to focus on again BFSI, because number of stocks are showing a lot of strength in terms of their overall technical patterns, and whenever there is a fall in these stocks, we are seeing some rebound. We like ICICI Bank, which is around some 910, 912 levels, 920, 22 levels. From here, we are expecting stock to move towards the levels of 950, 960. So it's a buy at current levels with a stop loss at 904. And the other stock which we like is from the paints basket. Asian Paint looks good because it is very close to its important support area, and because of the fall in the crude prices, we are expecting stock to rebound, or some short covering is not ruled out. So it's a buy at current levels with a stop loss around 3020. We can expect 3150, 3175 on the high side.
Okay, thanks for that, Shrikant. Mitessh, what about you? What are the individual stocks you're tracking?
Nigel, I have more of buy calls today. One of them is Union Bank, and the entire PSU banking space remains in very strong outperformance mode. So Union Bank in the short term can be bought with a stop at 68 for a first target of 75. A buy on Exide, which I think is getting into a very strong long-term uptrend also. But for the timing, it's a buy with a stop at 183 for a target of 196. And some reversal on the charts of Tata Consumer, which is a buy with a stop below 774 for targets of 815. The solitary sell call which I have is on Dixon Technologies. Keep a stop above 44.40, look for targets of 42.80.
All right. Thanks very much, both of you. Appreciate you joining in, Shrikant and Mitessh, with your thoughts. Anand Tandon is with us. He's market expert. Anand, thank you very much for